Welcome, boys and girls, to another week of working out with Coach W. This is week 7, kindergarten through 2nd grade, and here we are back again. This week, I just want to remind you again that on every lesson we do have all the muscles of the body, and so we're going to start with our warm-ups. We're going to continue with the same type of warm-ups we did last week to get used to them. So the first one, again, is called the wall climb. It's a different kind of shoulder stretch. So we'll go do that first. So I'm going to come over here. And again, you find a wall, and you just face the wall, and you put your arm straight up and lean against it. And you should feel the stretch here. And I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing myself against it so it forces my arm up. Okay, it's a different kind of a shoulder stretch. All right, and I'll switch to this side right here. You see, and I can even pull myself against it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, and the next one is called the chest and shoulder stretch. Okay, so all you gotta do, some of you guys had a little bit of difficulty understanding this last week. If you just have your hand, okay, and all you're doing is just turning away. See, so as I'm turning away, now it's stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'm gonna switch to this side. Okay, and I turn away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Good, very good. I'll come back over here. And see, I'll scroll down. And now we're going to do, okay. Now this is the shoulder stretch with rotation. Okay. Now, there's the reason why this is important. See, we used to do this one here, where you went across and you pulled it to here, and it stretched your deltoid muscle. This is similar, but here's why the difference is. When I put my arm here on my shoulder and I'm taking my elbow, I'm pulling my elbow over in the sense that I'm doing it. But what I'm doing is I'm resisting it, like I'm pulling against this hand. See, I'm pulling it back. This is where you're trying to do the circle. Say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's how it kind of gets the rotation and it loosens up. Okay? So then I'll switch here. So I just put it on my shoulder first, that's all. And you grab it and you pull the elbow towards you close. And then rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Loosen up a little bit more if you want to with some arm circles. Those are always good. All right. And then last but not least, this is the one where I call it scratching the back, but behind the back, up the back. So again, I'm trying to reach up like I'm scratching my back. Try to push your hand up like that and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, same thing, shake it out. Okay, I'll try to up, get it up there as high as I can. Scratching my back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so there. So again, if you want to feel loosened up like that, doing these, that's good like that, okay? All right, so we're going to go from there. Now we're going to start with our leg stretches again. So same thing before as we did last week. All right, so, okay, legs together. Try to hold your toes straight up. And all I'm doing is I'm grabbing my legs at a certain area, and then I'm pulling myself down, okay? And you're going to feel it back here. So that's what you want to do, is you want to feel it, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. And then I'll go to the next one here. All right. Now this is the one-legged hamstring stretch at a time. The hurdler hamstring. So widen the feet. Take one. Bring the ankle to the inside of the thigh. Okay. And then we go here. So now take a deep breath in, and then you let it out. Okay, there. Now I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep one hand on it. Turn this way, and then up and over. Now I'm stretching the back too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. All right, switch to this side. Again, put up the inside of the thigh. Deep breath in. Let it out. Grip the toes. Okay. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Turn. Lift it up. And over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. All right. And now we have the next one. Is now we're bent over, stretching the hamstring, but you're using both legs where you crisscross. So when I do it, okay, so cross one leg in front and then go all the way down as far as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. I'll switch over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. All right. And again, we have the one where if you have an object that you can use, I have the bucket, or this time I'll just use the table right here. See? So just find an object. Okay. So this leg stays straight. This knee right here you might bend just a tiny bit. So now I'm doing this leg. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'll switch to this leg. Okay. Remember, I'm keeping my toes up, and I bend this knee over here just a slight bit. And I grab that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. And let's see. After you've done that, that's the standing hamstring stretch, one leg at a time. And that's what they call that. And the last one is the towel hamstring stretch. And I did this too, the towel hamstring stretch. Okay. Okay, so remember, you're only trying to pull the top of your foot. Keep your other leg straight on the bottom. Lock the knee down and pull the toes back to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. And then here, same thing. I'm getting the toes only. Lock it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. So that was 5 different leg stretches, all good for you, all getting you loosened up and everything. Okay, all right, so now, time?
9 minutes and 30,
Okay.
45.
All right, so now we're gonna do our warm-up jumping jacks, okay? Here's our warm-up jumping jacks. Okay, now, I challenge you. Try to do 30 You can do more, then do more. So remember how we do these again. You start with your hands and feet together. And remember, there's 2 jumps to complete one. The first jump is out. See, feet and hands are out. And the second jump is in. The feet and hands are in. Okay? So it's a 2-step process. Out and in. That's 1. Out and in. That's 2. Okay? So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. All right, so we just got done doing 60 jumping jacks. Now, I said try to do at least 30. I did 60. See if you guys can beat me. Now, I just want to bring to your attention that jumping jacks are a very, very important exercise because they're a plyometric jumping exercise. Plyometrics and jumping exercises are very, very important. It's not only does it raise your heart rate and your oxygen levels and strengthens your lungs, but since you're jumping over and over again, you're building your legs, your calf muscles, and your ankles, and your agility. So jumping jacks are very, very important exercise. That's why they do them in a lot of different types of sports, okay? All right, now we're going to do the main part of today's lesson is the abs pro. All right, now I don't know if you remember the abs pro, but the abs pro, okay, so the main lesson today is going to be the abdominal core training, and we've done this before, and it was the abs pro core training right here, where it's got 9 different types of ab training exercises, and we're going to do each one of them, okay? So we'll start here on the ground, and we'll see which ones I'll start with first. All right, some of them are easier than others, so let's start with the, okay, I'll do the side bridge. Well, there's a side plank and a slide bridge. Okay, so when you do the side one, okay, so you can do it on your elbow. People have done it all the way up to here like this, okay? So, now in the picture, he does it on the elbow. So we can do that on the elbow. So feet together, and we'll hold yourself up. So I'm off the ground completely, okay? So you can see, and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I'll switch over right here. And you can see I'll lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's just called the side plank. All right. Now we'll go back and we'll do the side bridge. And the side bridge is where you lift yourself up and down. So we'll go up and we'll go up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? You gotta try to do that without touching the ground each time you lift yourself up. Okay, so first lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's 2 of them right there. All right, so we did side plank and side bridge. All right, so now we're gonna do regular elbow planks. All right, so we should all know the elbow plank. We've done this before. So plant your elbows directly underneath you, dig your toes in, and lift up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and down. Okay, so that's regular elbow plank. Okay, now we're going to do the elbow plank called the body saw. This is where you lift yourself up and down just like the side bridge. Okay, so toes together, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's called the body saw. There we go. All right, so we're halfway done, guys. All right, the next one is called the elbow plank, raised leg plank. Okay, so you do one leg at a time. So we're gonna do elbow plank and then one leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All right, so that was the elbow plank, raised leg plank. All right, now we're going to do elbow plank leg crunches. But I'm going to modify it because you couldn't really tell. It was harder for kids to see. So we'll do it as a tall plank, like a push-up plank, and you'll see how I do the crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so that was plank leg crunches or knee crunches. Okay, so that one's a little bit different. Okay, now the next ones, we only got 3 left. We're going to do the leg raises, and then the flutter kicks, butterfly kicks, and then the banana. Okay, so all right, so on your back all the way. Okay, so once you start, you can't put your legs down. We're going to do double leg lifts. Okay, so feet up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. All right. And we got now just the flutter kicks or butterfly kicks. Okay. So on your back again, same thing. You're gonna have your legs out and you're just gonna kick up and down individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. And then last but not least, we're gonna do, they call the hollow hold, or the banana. This is kind of hard to do. You gotta lift your legs up in your upper body and then hold it like the shape of a banana. Okay? So, try to hold it for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. What's our time?
21 minutes.
Okay, stop. Well, stop here. All right, that's it, boys and girls. So we got a good round workout. We did a lot of good stretches, and then we did a good abdominal workout. So I'll see you at the Zoom meetings. All right, bye-bye.